Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Wonder How. In this video, we'll learn how to create a 2D character in Unity using Photoshop and Unity's built-in tools. We'll draw a simple white stickman, rig it with bones, add a cool glow effect, and prepare for a battle scene with a red bass version. Let's get started. First, open Photoshop and draw your character using separate layers. For example, create different layers for the head, body, arms, and legs. This will help when we animate and rig the character later. Keep it simple, we're using a white stickman for this tutorial. Next, drag your Photoshop file into Unity. Make sure you have the 2D PSD Importer package installed. Unity will automatically detect all your layers and let you slice them for animation and rigging. With your character selected, click on the Sprite Editor, then go to the Skinning Editor. Use the Bone tool to add bones for arms, legs, and the body. Assign weight so each bone controls the correct part of the sprite. Now, let's build a simple 2D environment. First, create square sprite, scale it to make round layer. Place your background, midground, and foreground layers using 2D sprites. This gives your scene a sense of depth. We'll place the characters in front later. Drag character PSD to the scene. Change scale and position to it. Let's add a cool glow effect using shader graph. Create a new URP unlit shader, and add a glow color using emission. Then go to your URP settings and enable bloom under post-processing to make the glow visible. Apply the shader to the character material. To enable glow effect, we need to add post-processing volume and override bloom effect. Drag character to Prefab folder to make Prefab. Add light sprite to make scene brighter. Now create idle animation for character. Use the animation window to add keyframes, maybe a subtle bounce or breathing motion. This brings your Stickman to life, even when standing still. For this demo, I'm just using one single frame, but you should add more frames to make it actually animate. Drag Prefab to scene and make another character instance. Duplicate material to make new color for new character. Let's set the stage for battle. Place the white Stickman on one side of the screen, and the red boss on the other. With a cool background and glow effects, we're ready for an epic showdown. And that's it. We've created a 2D character, rigged it, added glow, and prepared a battle scene, all in Unity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep learning game dev the Mr. Wonder How way.